Pythons are a group of non-venomous constrictor snakes found in diverse habitats across Africa, Asia, and Australia. Boasting impressive lengths, some species can exceed 20 feet. These powerful serpents have muscular bodies, heat-sensing pits, and distinctive markings. Pythons are ambush predators, relying on their excellent camouflage to surprise and constrict prey like mammals, birds, and reptiles. They possess specialized jaw joints allowing them to stretch around large prey items. Remarkably adaptable, pythons can thrive in various environments, from dense rainforests to arid deserts. Certain species, like the Burmese python, have unfortunately become invasive in some regions due to the exotic pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these fascinating reptiles and maintain ecological balance in their native habitats.